Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new space in Gmail, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the space tab down below, which is the third icon. Then click on new space down below on the right side corner of the screen, and then tap on create a space at the top of the screen. Then you should type in the space name. You can add a picture or choose an emoji. You can tap on the next button at the top. Then you can add people by typing in their email address or their name. Then click on the return button to add more people, but you can also skip this step by tapping on the skip option at the top. So here you have the new space. Here you can add people, share a file, or assign tasks. Here you have the chat, files and tasks categories at the top of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.